Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stock. Currently we are into the multi-bagger stock recommendation video of this week, and the company is RailTel Corporation of India. The stock was listed in Indian stock market on 18th February and the listing price was 93 to 95 rupees per share, and currently it is trading at 120.55 rupees per share, and our short-term target is around 250 rupees per share, and this will be a wealth creator in coming years. So we will take out our asset around 250 rupees per share and we will hold the share for long time. So it is something like an IRCTC, because everyone knows that IRCTC also was listed in the same range around 150 rupees per share in 2019, and after 3 years you can see almost 800 to 900% gain has been made by IRCTC. The similar way RailTel Corporation India also will be delivered similar performance, we can expect it. So let us go into the details of that. You can see currently it is trading around 120.50. Currently it is a small cap company. The current market capitalization is 3,867.31, and the owner is Indian Railway. They are holding 72.84% stake, and the company is paying dividend after listing. So as I told you, the company has been listed in stock market in February 2021, and after that the company has been paid 2 dividend. Interim dividend 1 rupees per share has been paid in March, and after that in September the company has been made another 1 rupees as a final dividend. The company is paying dividend. It's a profit making company. And while we are going to the company's fundamentals, so before we are going into the fundamental, you can see that the company is providing exclusive services to Indian Railway. You can see here RailTel Corporation of India backs 87 crore from Konkan Railway, and you can see here RailTel Corporation gains securing order worth 23 crore, and you can see here RailTel Corporation jumps on bagging order worth 300 crore from Defense Ministry. So all these internal orders from Indian Railway is coming to RailTel Corporation only. So they are the one providing exclusive service to Indian Railway, and as I told you, the IPO was happened between 2021 February 16 to 2021 February 18, and the stock listing price was 93 to 95 rupees per share. Yeah, 93 to 94 rupees per share, and the lot size was 150 per share. And even after 7 to 8 months, the stock is trading almost within the range, and we can expect the rally on coming days. So while we can see, let us see the company's fundamental. Before that, I will show you. Currently we are into the Wikipedia page, and we will check the company's website. The RailTel Corporation of India Limited is under the ownership of Indian Railway, the Ministry of Railway, Government of India, focusing on providing broadband and VPN services. So the company has been formed in 2000, so that means almost 21 years ago. So let us go into the company's website, what the company is providing. You can see here the company is providing network to Indian Railway, and they are providing all the infrastructure services to all the Indian Railway. So as long as the Indian economy is growing, the usage of Indian Railway also will be increased, because this is a major transportation media which is available in India. So it will be similar way how IRCTC is trading now. As everyone knows that IRCTC was listed around 330 to 340 rupees per share, and it traded around 6,000 rupees within the span of 3 years, and the stock split was happened. Currently it is trading around 800 rupees per share, I believe. Yeah, 819 rupees per share. Even while we are considering the stock split rate, so 340 rupees per share it was listed, and got splitted from face value 10 to face value 2. So the actual rate is around 68. So the similar way you can see here RailTel Corporation is also here right now at the rate of 120, and the book face value per share is 10, and book value per share is around 43.71, and market capitalization is almost 3,864 crore per share. So let us go into the company's reserve and surplus. I will show you the company, how the company is performing, and how we are comparing it with the IRCTC. I will tell you the annual income is getting increased every year. I told you very clearly that the owner is Indian Railway, and they are holding almost 72.84% of the shares, and in March 2017 the company was having 847 rupees per 847 crore sales was there. It becomes 983 crore in 2018, 986 crore in March 2019, 1080 crore in 2020, 1337 crore sales in March 2021. You can see a clear cut growth. You can see here. This is what I told you. As long as the economy is getting growth, the Indian Railway also will be move ahead. So IRCTC and also RailTel Corporation and also another multi-bagger stock which I was provided is IRFC. That stock also was recommended around 20 rupees per share. Currently it is trading around 25 or 26 rupees per share. Almost 40% gain already happened. That is also another multi-bagger, and also that will be a good wealth creator the same way the RailTel Corporation is trading right now. So try to accumulate RailTel Corporation Limited and also IRFC and IRCTC. So currently the RailTel Corporation is in the within the range. So we have to accumulate, we have to utilize. So while we are coming to the company's current reserve and surplus, you can see the growth. 836 crore reserve was there in March 2017. March 2018, 928 crore reserve was there. In March 2019, it becomes 962 crore. So a clear-cut growth you can see there. So every year the company's reserve is getting increased, and in March 2021 it becomes 1081 crore. You can see the clear-cut growth of reserve and surplus here. And let us go into the company's website. You can see here the company is giving the video conferencing services to Indian Railway and data center services to Indian Railway, and railwire networks they are providing, and also lease the line to Indian Railway they are providing, virtual and private network they are providing, VPN services, internet lease lines they are providing, managed data center services they are providing, consultancy services, rack and space allocation services, tower collection, NLD and voice carrier services, signaling services. This is not a construction company actually. This is something like a service provider of Indian Railway. So it's a part of Indian Railway. It is listed as a different company, and the service is not only providing to Indian Railway, they are providing services to the defense sector, and also they are providing services within the premises of Indian Railway network. So the company will grow ahead, and you can see that the company is bagging lot of orders. As long as the Indian economy is growing, as I told you before, the RailTel Corporation also will be move ahead. So it's a good wealth creator, and the company is well performing company. So try to keep on accumulate RailTel Corporation of India Limited. I hope everyone enjoy this video. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and kindly refer to the wealth creator series and include all these 50 stocks in your wealth creator watch list, and keep on accumulating whenever you have the fund. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.